Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your go-to destination for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest insights, reviews, and updates on cars that matter. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander, a vehicle that continues to build on Toyota's strong legacy of reliability, performance, and family-friendly design. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander stands as a full-size SUV that delivers the perfect blend of spaciousness, power, and technology. For families and adventure seekers alike, this model offers an elevated driving experience that combines comfort with practicality. On the outside, the Grand Highlander features a more refined and aerodynamic design compared to its predecessor. The bold grille, sleeker LED headlights, and stronger character lines give it a modern, commanding presence on the road. It sits on 20-inch alloy wheels in higher trims, and the overall proportions strike a fine balance between aggressive stance and elegance. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Highlander is available in 3 powertrain options, making it versatile for different driving needs. The base model comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers strong and responsive performance for daily commuting and highway cruising. For those looking for efficiency, the hybrid option continues to impress with its fuel economy and low emissions, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. Finally, the performance-oriented Hybrid Max model stands out with its 362 horsepower and impressive torque, offering a thrilling drive while maintaining the benefits of hybrid technology. Inside, the Grand Highlander truly lives up to its name. The cabin is designed to offer maximum comfort and functionality with 3 spacious rows that comfortably seat up to 8 passengers. Second-row captain's chairs are available in higher trims, which enhance comfort for long journeys. The third row is surprisingly roomy for adults, making this SUV a genuine 3-row vehicle rather than just a stretched version of the standard Highlander. Cargo space is generous, and folding down the rear seats reveals even more room for luggage, gear, or groceries. Toyota has integrated its latest technology suite in the 2026 Grand Highlander, including the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. The system is intuitive and responsive, with over-the-air updates to keep the software fresh and secure. A premium JBL audio system is available, delivering high-quality sound for those who enjoy music on the move. Other available tech features include a panoramic sunroof, a digital rearview mirror, head-up display, and multi-zone climate control, all tailored to enhance comfort and convenience. When it comes to safety, Toyota does not hold back. The 2026 Grand Highlander comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. These systems work seamlessly to reduce driver fatigue and keep occupants safe in various driving conditions. Ride quality is another strong point of the Grand Highlander. Thanks to its well-tuned suspension and sound insulation, the SUV offers a smooth and quiet drive. Whether you are navigating city streets or heading out on a long road trip, the Grand Highlander manages bumps and road imperfections with ease. Steering is responsive and the vehicle feels composed around corners for its size, which is great news for those upgrading from smaller SUVs or crossovers. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the powertrain. The hybrid variants are the most efficient, offering excellent mileage for such a large SUV, while the Hybrid Max still manages respectable numbers given its performance-oriented setup. Pricing remains competitive, with a starting price that offers good value considering the equipment, space, and Toyota's reputation for durability and low maintenance. So if you're in the market for a family SUV that delivers on style, power, comfort, and technology, the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander is definitely worth a look. It offers a compelling package that appeals to a wide range of drivers and lifestyles. Thanks for watching this in-depth review. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with more reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Pulse Media for more.